Incompatibility, man. It's a drag. I mean, you can't do this. You can't do this. And you can't do this. And it's generally understood that you can't do this. Run Windows on a Mac. But actually, you can. You can have Windows in a window, and another version of Windows in another window, and Linux, and the Chrome OS, and even another version of the Mac OS in another window, all on one Mac. Thanks to this program, now in version 10, Parallels Desktop for Mac. You have to supply your own copy of Windows or whatever, but once you find it, Parallels neatly turns it into a simulated computer running that operating system. Windows, Mac, Windows, Mac, and you can copy and paste between them. You can keep your PC in one window, you can make it full screen, or you can have each individual Windows program in its own window, so it feels like a regular Mac program. Like here's Quicken for Windows, and here's Safari for the Mac. Parallels 10 is faster, it's 30% easier on your battery, it integrates better with the Mac. Like look, here I am in Windows, in Internet Explorer, but I get the regular Mac share options. And look here, my simulated computers and Windows apps show up in the dock like regular programs. 6 seconds and boom, I'm running another computer. The only bummer is that you're allowed to run your copy of Parallels on only one Mac. So if you have a bunch of Macs, it can get expensive. Otherwise though, there's not much to complain about. It's super handy to have multiple computers on a single Mac. So no, Parallels doesn't solve all the world's incompatibility problems, but it's a start until someone comes up with a way to do this.